In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to install and activate the OceanWP theme in WordPress. Today I'm going to show you how to install and activate the OceanWP theme in WordPress. But if you want to know which theme a WordPress website is using, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Theme. This is where all your installed themes will be, so click here on Add New. In the search bar, type OceanWP and press Enter. This is the theme. You can preview the theme from here. Then click on Install to start the installation. Once the installation is done, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the theme. And now the theme is activated on our site. So let's open the website to view it. And as you can see, the OceanWP theme was installed successfully. This is how you can install and activate the OceanWP theme in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.